death of Sitaram Yechury at the age of 72 after a prolonged illness, a part of the left movement as well as a deep legacy also goes away. Now, just to give a quick recap of what Sitaram Yechury was all about, his thoughts, well, he was always seen as a more moderate, progressive face of the CPIM. A student of Jawaharlal Nehru University, and his days during JNU were used to fight back during the emergency times. He had spoken out against the Indira Gandhi's emergency which was proclaimed, and he was also arrested. But he had a mindset and a point of view which was international, many would say, and also very progressive in nature. It was then that he was impressed by meeting Prakash Karat, and he joined the CPIM officially. He was, of course, a member of parliament for the Rajya Sabha till 2017, and apart from that, he was also the general secretary or the part of the CPIM Politburo. Of course, he never got to get that occasion to rise completely to the top, but he was also one of the most influential leaders as far as the opposition space is concerned. Sitaram Yechury has always had a good equation with the Congress party, even at a time when the Congress and the left fell out, especially over the Indo-US nuclear deal. In 2004, when the UPA's Common Minimum Program was being drafted, it was proclaimed as one which was very progressive, out-of-the-box ideas, and which was talking about a new age India. Sitaram Yechury was one of the architects of the Common Minimum Program with many of the top-notch Congress leaders, including that of Jairam Ramesh. But in recent times, Sitaram Yechury was always seen and called a mentor of Rahul Gandhi. In fact, it is believed that Sitaram Yechury was the one who influenced Rahul Gandhi along with Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary to have a tie-up of the left and the Congress party in West Bengal and beyond. Despite the fact that Mamata Banerjee was very upset, Sitaram Yechury ended up having a very good equation with her. The thing about Sitaram Yechury was that he had very good equations with political parties and leaders cutting across party lines. He was seen as extremely accessible, affable, and someone with his good nature was able to connect with party leaders across the party lines, which certainly comes in handy when the backroom negotiations are going on inside the parliament. But to talk about present times, when the India bloc was formed, Sitaram Yechury played a very important role. In fact, it is believed that one of the few people who actually coined the name India bloc, who coined the idea that you have to hold the constitution in your hand and talk about protecting the constitution, it was not just Mamata Banerjee or Rahul Gandhi, it was Sitaram Yechury too who played an important role. While Mamata Banerjee had a problem in negotiating or talking or communicating with Prakash Karat, who was considered to be very uptight by many, in Sitaram Yechury, the situation was very different. He was considered to be very progressive, not as rigid in his point of view as very often the left are, not very averse to the idea of India having a kind of economic ties as far as America is concerned. And thereby stands the legacy of Sitaram Yechury. At a time when many people talk about left withering away, of left not being in sync with the modern times, Sitaram Yechury was that person who was able to bridge that gap. This could be seen as a huge loss, not just to the left, but it is also a huge loss as far as the India bloc and for Rahul Gandhi personally, and for the Congress party to have that one person who could be a mentor for them, who could help them out in bad times. In that sense, one can understand why almost every leader cutting across party lines are mourning the loss of Sitaram Yechury, who was also known for the bright and wide smile he would greet even his worst detractors and opponents with.